So here you go. This is the guitar that I built. Kit eBay guitar. It's cool, extravagant house guitars. Here's the finish I got. Smooth, nice mirror finish. Through a lot of wet sanding and clear coating. Wet sanding and clear coating, and then polish with abrasives eventually. Still a little not a perfect mirror, but not bad. Not the exact color I was going for, but I really wasn't going for anything. I was just kind of going for this greenish blue, and I got a little more green than I wanted, but green is still kind of cool for what it is. And it matches the neck here, which you can see is a dragon, pretty generic dragon inlay. Then I cut the headstock to mimic something like an Ibanez-ish kind of shape. I think it looks kind of sporty and cool. Need some writing on it of some kind. I'll put a sticker on there or something when I get a chance. And there it is again. Dragon inlays. Pretty basic. Floyd Rose copy thing, you know, it's sure is the cheapest you could get. But the pickups are not bad, you know, for what you got in a kit. The sound is cool. I'm sure you could probably do better, but it's not the worst ever. As you can see, I set it up pretty nice. I don't know if we can get that shot in there perfect, but I got the there we go. Floyd Rose nice and level there. And the action of the other thing is really low. I don't know what you can tell on YouTube there. It's medium low, it's not the lowest you can get. But I didn't get any buzzes as low as I brought it. I got a nice low curve to the neck. Just a slight amount of a thin pick. I use a thick pick and I can't wedge it between there. It's just a very slight amount of curvature to the neck. Some, but not a lot. Here's the sound. Bridge pickup, volume all the way up. Some effects through computer speakers. This could be sounding distorted. I don't know how it's going to come out on the end here, but that was nice. That wasn't on camera, just a bunch of me looking down.